In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay text over a person on Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your text so it appears above a person in your design, using Canva's layers in a clear, simple way. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you can see both the image of the person and the text you want to place on top. If your text is currently hidden behind the image, don't worry. That just means it's sitting lower in the stacking order. Canva organizes everything on your canvas in layers, like sheets of paper. The item on the highest layer appears on top, and items lower down appear beneath it. We're going to change that order so your text sits above the image. To do that, press Alt+1 to open the Layers panel. This panel gives you a structured view of every element in your design, from images and shapes to text boxes. If the panel doesn't appear at first, make sure your design is active on the canvas and try again. Once it opens, you'll see a list of items, often with small thumbnails or labels that help you identify them. Find your text element in the list and locate the layer that represents the image of the person. Click and drag your text element so it sits higher than the image in the layer stack. As you move it, you'll notice a highlight showing where it will land. Drop it above the image layer. This small change tells Canva to display your text on top of the image. Now return your attention to the canvas and position the text over the part of the image where you want it to appear. Click the text box and drag it into place. Take a moment to check readability. If the text blends into the background, consider moving it slightly to a clearer area of the image, or adjusting its size, weight, or color so it stands out. You can also nudge with your arrow keys for precise placement and rely on Canva's alignment guides to keep things neat. If elements snap in a helpful way, that's just Canva trying to keep your layout clean. That's it. By opening the Layers panel with Alt+1, dragging your text above the image layer, and then placing the text where you want it on the canvas, you ensure your words sit clearly on top of the person in your design. Save your project, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.